Leli cala liqalanga ngesikhathi esifanele ngenxa yokuthi kubanjwe ingxoxo mayelana nokuba khona enkantolo kwenkampani yezethelevishini i1010 Films nebisanda kukhipha uhlelo olusafilimu isenzo Murder of a Soccer Star ngenyanga edlule. Ummeli wabasolwa abane kuleli cala u-Advocate Malisela Tifo uyaphikisana nokuba khona kwale nkampani. Le nkampani ithi ayihlukile kwezinye izinkampani ezisakaza izindaba futhi akukho ekwenzile okuphambene nomthetho.
Now we have no idea what we're being accused of, and certainly we reject having done anything illegal. My client has not done anything illegal, and if they have, then why have they not been reported to the police? Now, if it is alleged that our client has breached in any way the guidelines of the court, then certainly that could be brought to my Lord's attention. But we don't understand there to be any allegation that there's been a breach of the court's guidelines, the practice manual guidelines, concerning the filming and broadcasting of court proceedings.
Iphinde yathi ifilimu eyakhishwa ku-Netflix ngaphambi kokuqala kwecala angeke ibe nomthelela kofakazi kuleli cala.
Now, to prevent Newsroom Africa or SABC or ENCA from having a group of analysts discuss a case. They can get a criminal law expert from UCT to come and talk about the case tomorrow, the next day, next week, next month, before the verdict is given, and those legal experts can give their views. It happens every day that in pending and underway criminal proceedings, the news media interview experts to talk about the case and to give their views. There's absolutely nothing unusual about it, and there's nothing illegal about it, and there's nothing that poses a risk to the administration of justice.
Uchaze kabanzi ngokuthi kungani bephikisana nokuba khona kwale nkampani.
I have made it clear that there is a difference between the media house and the production house. These people are the film production. They are not a media house. They are not a mainstream media when you talk about 405, 403, 417. So these are the people they are here not for the public knowledge or information. They are here for the profit of their company.
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.